Okay, guys, I'm trying to do this the humane way. They said half vinegar, half water. So, got my spray bottle. I'm gonna spray the area. Because they left from the parsley, and now they're starting to eat the green beans, leaves. So they said if I spray, mix the half vinegar, half water, it'll help. I already sprayed a little bit on the leaves. I don't want to burn the leaves. So I'm gonna spray around the whole area for them to enter. Whole area. I learned my lesson with the peppers. If you put too much vinegar, it will kill the leaves. So I'm just spraying the area. I did put a little bit on top of them, just a little. So let's see how this works to keep these rabbits out. Later on today, I'm gonna do the same thing. Get under the shed where they could go. So they've been eating lovely in here. Yesterday it was only a few leaves that was gone. A few leaves. Today, that's the parsley. They did that. Now they start on the beans. They start eating the leaves. So, this is the most humane way I can go, because from what I'm hearing, like I said, they don't like it. They don't like the smell. But I'm going crazy with this water and vinegar around the perimeter. Stay tuned and we'll see what's going on.